Oh my god, a fish just jumped in the middle of that. I think so. Yeah.
Fish on, fish on.
It's weird that my drag's not pulling.
It's a walleye. What the heck? Smaller, actually.
Look at that. That's crazy coloration on it too.
Yeah, it's a sauger, dude. Oh, in the tree.
Oh,
Oh, I thought you were talking about get me.
oh my god. What are we gonna do here?
This is GoPro worthy. I'm rafter.
Oh my god. Who am I fishing with right now?
I mean, you want me to jump out? Is it that? Yeah, but I can't.
Hey, you're gonna have to come up here though.
Okay. Yeah, I'm out.
Oh my god, nice. Going back to you. I'll help you out.
Is that a lure right there? Come on. Watch out, man.
Are you gonna get out or what?
Okay.
I'm gonna go downstream because we have to go to that no wake, and that's just booty cheeks. Oh, lots of fish. Ooh, it's got a little pull to it too. I think he's wrapped in some trees though.
I'd say you might be too, because you're not moving.
Yeah, but I can feel him pull back too. Oh.
What do we got going there?
Oh yeah, here we go. Okay. Oh, it feels like a nice. If it's a bass, it's a nice one. Nice. Smallmouth. It's a nice fish. Probably, I don't know, probably actually only a 2-pounder, but they fight tough. Love smallmouth. Let's be nice to them. Oh yeah. And there's probably plenties of fish and all this stuff. You can just see all the wood up here, and it's just like.
Oh, you okay there, Gavin? Getting your bait out?
What?
So what'd you ever do with the broken pole then? Still have it. You do?
Yeah, I use it for flipping. It's short, so like it's nice with. I don't have to go very far with it, and then it's got a high-speed reel on it.
I'm happy you found some use for it. No. Oh, I see myself. Come on now. Yeah, I don't know how the motor's gonna be back there, but.
Watch out.
Oh, what are you doing?
I don't know, it's like 90 right here.
Do you have anything in your pocket?
No. Hope we got this on GoPro.
Oh, you're a lifesaver. Yeah, he was.
I don't know how. Getting out of here. Oh.
Thank you, kind sir. Dad? Be a smallmouth. Be a smallmouth.
Yeah, yeah. Nice one, too. Boy, there's my 2 fish I wanted right there. Baby.
What is going on?
Walleye.
What is this? What is going on? Cause it's shallow here now. Yeah, I can see the bottom shallow. Holy crap. What is it?
I don't know.
No, it's a little bat. Nice. Well, we're going back here.
There you go. Oh my god, I got him hooked like 4 times.
Nice. I know. Did you get it?
Yeah, I think so.
I'll get him, just wait.
What is it?
It's a bass. Need him over here though.
Nice one too. That's a nice fish. Oh, that's sweet.
Look at that.
Oh, cotton, get off my thing.
I don't know, after I've seen the pros work their frogs, I do not like go slow at all anymore. They freaking fly them. And it's like, you wouldn't even think a largemouth would go after it, and then they do, and you're like, what? It's a pike.
Get off.
Yeah, after the first one.
That was exactly what you want to do.
Yeah, after the first one, I did not want to. But I did. There he is. Just a really small pike.
Oh no, I hate looking in the sun.
Get some good sunglasses. And also you.
What?
You have sunglasses on the top of your head.
I know, but they
don't work? Yeah. One product from Strike Master I don't like.
That's got to produce a fish, Gavin, no?
It's not too big.
Hey, you gotta net him. I'm up here.
Oh my.
He's not that nice. He's a good fit.
Doubles.
That was sweet. That was pretty sweet.
Doubles.
Came crap.
Okay, good. Gavin, where's your frog? This is mine.
This is mine.
Gavin's just gone.
Nowhere to be found.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he swallowed it or he knocked it off. I'm guessing he knocked it off.
And that right there is a Minnesota pike.
Nothing really wants to come out and say, I want to get this thing lately.
You know that? There's the fish Gavin was talking about.
Oh, I need that.
Yeah, it's a pretty nice one, too.
It looks like a bass, but
Oh, it's a smallmouth. My drag isn't set for some reason. Oh, it's a largie. It's probably about 2-pounder. Still pretty fat, Dad. I'll slow down and cast back. I won't go any farther. Sorry.
Big, little?
It's a pike. Like why?
Oh, you don't like the net.
Why? Why?
Yeah, it's annoying. Yeah. Get the hammer handle. Oh, you did have it.
Yeah. Need a net?
No, this is the first fish on this first, no, I don't have my drag set. Oh, there we go.
Oh yeah. For a bit you had me worried because I was like, wait, fuck, is that a nice fish? Then you turn your drag up and flies the boat. Oh, nope. Go pick this thing up. Gotta have a little weight.
Your story. You stick with it.
I love fun. It's fun catching bait.
Oh my god, like a 40-pounder. I guarantee you that you don't have a brain left.
I've been there though, man. I've slung fish.
Okay, Dad. Dad, did you watch our video on Gavin's YouTube channel from last summer?
Small bass, like swinging straight, like almost into the boat.
Yeah, and I remember laughing so hard at that. I was like, Gavin,
I was so excited because I felt it pick it up, and I'm thinking this is a decent fish. Yeah, and I just felt sent into the boat.
that was,
I can't hook them.
I remember that. It was right between those two trees back there. Oh, that was funny. I remember that too.
You gotta do something.
Yeah, I mean,
You get the fish, the fish ain't coming off.